Hello guys, I welcome you all to the RK feed, and today I'm going to show you how you can find the Wi-Fi password to any Wi-Fi you're connected to. So right now, this is the Wi-Fi I'm connected to. The name of the Wi-Fi is RK. This is my mobile hotspot. Directly we'll go to the start, and over there you're going to search is CMD. That is the command prompt. Right click on that and run it as administrator. A window will pop up. You need to choose yes. Alright, so after that this command prompt will open in a system. Here you write few commands which I'm gonna tell you. First is netsh, netsh. After that hit enter. Then you'll write WLAN, WLAN. Then hit enter again. Now you're gonna write over here is show profile. After this you hit enter, it will show all the profiles of the Wi-Fi that you were ever connected on the system. The first one is RK that I'm currently connected to, and I want the details of this. So next you will write show profile, then the name of this Wi-Fi you want details of, that is RK, and then you will give space, then you'll write key is equal to clear, then you hit enter, and this is all the details of the Wi-Fi. So this is, as you can see, the profile RK on interface Wi-Fi. So all the details are listed over here, and in order to view the password of this, it is listed below over here. Security key is present, that is the key content is hello world 123. This is the password which I've given just for testing. And okay, so now linking it to my mobile screen also, and I'm gonna show you that this password is verified on both ends. So coming directly to my mobile screen, so as I told you that the password over here, it is shown that hello world 123. So in my mobile I'm gonna go to settings first of all. After you open the settings, you need to find, if whichever device you're using, you need to go to portable Wi-Fi settings. So I will find my hotspot settings over here in the portable Wi-Fi hotspot. Okay, so see over here you can see the password is hello world 123, and the same thing is written over here also. So it signifies that the method which we have used, it works. But only drawback of this one method is that it won't work if the Wi-Fi name is having any spaces. It might work in a system, it didn't work in mine. So that's all guys. I hope you like the video. Please share it with your friends, and do subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Take care.